G'day, that's Slot Car Guy here. So another day, another unboxing. 3 cars, new seller, special delivery, and a bit of a story behind it. So stick around and let's have a look at what I've purchased. So welcome back to another unboxing, and I did not think this one was going to happen. A bit of a mix-up in the post, and I did say in the intro that there was a backstory to this delivery. I'll tell you a quick backstory. Arrived Friday in Melbourne from Western Australia. My app said it was here, but obviously it wasn't. And then the investigation started. Where is this box? A bit of a mix-up in the post system, and it ended up at a similar address, but not mine. Luckily, the postie this morning who delivered something else for us recognised the last name, and he knows I collect slot cars, and he said to me there was a mix-up. I think I know where it went. I'll see you soon. And he has returned with this box unopened. The person who received it, thank you, because they didn't open it. They wrote return to sender, so it would have went back to West Australia and then back to me, but so happy that it's here. Didn't think this was going to happen. There's some stuff in there that I really wanted to show you guys, so it's here. Enough about that, no tears, I'm happy. Now, I did say also in the intro that it's a new seller. To me, it is a new seller. It is scalexseller.com. Great website and great Facebook page and a great seller. Been around the hobby a long time. New and used slot cars, and I believe he's dipping his toe into the new market. He has recently purchased some SRC cars to look at and maybe bring them in, which I thank him for that, because he's testing all kinds of different cars. So really good seller, in tune with the hobby. So again, I'll link him in this. Check him out. All the sellers I buy from, I do recommend, because they are great people for the hobby. Also in here is a special little gift he's put in there, which I think is genius, and I'll show you, and I will do another video just on that, because I think this is a part of the market that's missing, and I've already looked at what he's sent, and extremely excited about design. I don't want to talk about it. I'll show you, because I might give it away. Let's look at the cars. Rightio. So again, 3 cars. Don't know why I buy 3 cars. We've got 2 Scalatrix and we've got 1 SCX. Oh, Scalatrix. So let's go with a car that I've looked at, wanted, and then went, you know what? That's the color. That's the one I want. I had to get it. And if you haven't got it in your collection, I don't know why, because it's a beautiful looking car and it reminds me of will.i.am. But it's the, what is it called again? The Morgan Aero 8. So beautiful looking car. That gunmetal grey / steel. I think it's a very pastel. I can't even explain the colour, but it's very popular now. Audis do a lot of cars in this colour, but it's just a beautiful looking car itself. So quick look at that one. SCX Morgan Aero 8. We'll just go down the line. Scalatrix, huge fan of this car, and I don't know who wouldn't be, but it's the Toyota Corolla in silver. This comes in, I think, red, blue and white, potentially. I can't remember the exact colours, but I did like the silver with the Toyota branding on it, so very cool. Again, I think they're new or used. You can't really tell because like the box is damaged, but the cars themselves, wow, good quality. So happy with that. And lucky last, of course, is Scalatrix. And again, another car I've been sitting. Do I want it? Yes, I do. So I got it. It is the Maserati MC12 road car. Now, in the box, it doesn't do it real justice, but this is a pearl white, and a beautiful pearl white with a blue. Is it got the blue? Yeah, like a dark blue two-tone, but the actual white itself, and we'll have a close-up, is a beautiful pearl. So lovely car. Really excited. I've got this in Carrera, so I'm happy to have it in Scalatrix. Now, what is this special gift I'm talking about? Now, I will probably do a giveaway on Instagram for one of these, and the reason I think this is pretty cool is the seller has designed in the cell. I'll quickly show, but I won't go into the details, so we will do a video on it ourselves. But the clever cookie has designed his own display boxes. So if you've got loose cars that you want in the boxes and you can't find them, he has designed them around an original design, which I've got the details about, and we'll talk about that later. But really cool. They come flat pack. That's the display itself, and then it comes with a white insert. So you got your car with the guide that goes down the bottom. Again, we'll do a full video on that another day. I do have one I prepared earlier, and how incredible does that look? How incredible does that look? His own branding, his own design, but let's put that aside because I don't want to do too much on that now because I do want to do a video on that, and I'm going to do a giveaway. So let's have a quick close look at these cars, then we're done. Alrighty, so let's look at the Maserati MC12 road car first, and as always, let's check out the box art. Massive fan of box art, so happy that this has got its original sleeve. It is the Scalextric USA series, a nice purple with the yellow and black checkered flag, which carries on throughout the front. Love that. And again, Scalextric USA down the front. Now clear on both sides. As you know, some of the 80s stuff, you've got branding on each side. And then on the back, bit of business chat. And then I like the little touch at the back of the actual car, the website. Scalextric USA on the back, usa.com.au. Really, really cool. All right, let's look at the car, and hopefully this does its justice to the pearl. Take the case off. I don't know if it's going to show up on the... So a quick look. Again, it's got its spares underneath, which is really, really cool. But here we are. Beautiful car. Love the Maserati. I don't think this car gets enough credit. Maserati took a big chance on this car, but this two-toned is amazing. So beautiful car, very long, very, very long. So I'm excited to try that. I don't know if it's got working headlights, but we'll find out in due course. That's the Maserati. Let's put it on the side, and let's stick with Scalextric's Toyota. Now, love it, different style box. So we're just Scalextric's branded now. We're black with the same black and yellow checkered flag that carries around the box. Back is nice and clean. Both sides are clear. The base has got the Scalextric, that looks cool. And as I said before, this has got a cracked case, but the car itself looks incredible. So not too upset about that at all. And a bit of business jargon underneath. All right, that's the box. Let's have a look at the car. So beautiful silver, big fan of silver. Do I have the spares underneath? Let me have a quick look. Yep, 2 spare guides underneath. And I love that little screw. Everyone knows who watches my videos. I love that release mechanism. It's so simple and it just works. But here we go. Toyota rally car, Corolla. It's got the Toyota badging on it, which is the reason I grabbed it, because I love that. It does come in different colours. I like at the rear. I don't know if the camera's going to show, but in the rear there's a, not going to show it very well. Nice spare tyre. Can't really get in there, sorry guys. But 2 people in there, co-driver and notes reader. The co-driver, yeah, it's funny. They're both the same mould, just the co-driver's holding a book. So very cool. Excited to have that in my collection. Next up is, and like I said, it reminds me of will.i.am. One of his film clips, he's got I think it was a Morgan Arrow on that. Could be wrong, but love it. Always a big fan of the SCX display cases because you get to see the whole car in 360. And let's take the top off. Sometimes they're a little bit tricky, but it might be fully sealed. Let's have a look. Yeah, so I think it's still sealed. It is still sealed. So I won't open that up yet. I was trying to open it, but being a clear case, you can have a really good look at this car all the way around. Nice big rear spoiler, sits very low, very, very low, but just an awesome, awesome car. So there we go. Quick unboxing again. Scalex seller, mate, it arrived. We're happy. I will do a quick review on his display boxes, and I will do a giveaway. So a quick look at that again. Beautiful looking box, and the website has these up. So if you want these prior to me doing a review on it, please check him out. Again, that's Slot Car Guy on Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers. Take care. Bye.